Hello students, today we are going to learn our science lesson number 3, properties of natural resources. Do you know China clay is an industrial mineral? Kaolinite, it is found in China and hence it is called China clay. This soil on heating acquires glaze and hardness, and therefore it is used in making crockery. Now see, the testing of soil is done to understand the properties and deficiency of the soil. Now let us see the soil testing in brief. The proportions of the various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. During soil testing, soil is examined for color, texture and the proportion of organic matter in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredient and to decide what measure should be taken to remove the deficiency. The soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days. It is then sifted through a sieve. Two tests namely occurred: the pH test and electrical conductivity test are particularly useful in finding out the characteristic of soil. Now in the past, the great scientist, the Danish scientist Sorensen, put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions, means H plus ions. To determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and soil in the proportion 1:2 is taken and tested using several indicators. Accordingly, that soils are of three types: acidic soil, which has pH less than 6.5. Second one, neutral soil, which has the pH between 6.5 to 7.5. And third one, alkaline soil, which has the pH higher than 7.5. Now let us study about the different causes of diminishes that soil fertility. Soil pH is less than 6 or higher than 8, and organic matter in low proportion causes diminish of soil fertility. Then there is no proper drainage of water. Then repeated cultivation of the same crop is also diminished soil fertility. Continuous use of saline water and excessive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides also diminish the soil fertility. When chemical fertilizers are used in excess, the soil texture is disturbed. Such a land becomes unsuitable for sowing. To avoid this, what we do, that crop rotation is done. It helps in maintaining the fertility of the land. To make efforts for conservation of soil, every year on 5th December, that World Soil Day is observed. Now our lesson is completed. Solve the textbook exercise. Thank you.